If I wanted to get better at this starting today, where would I begin?
Great question. The Bible talks about this in Hebrews chapter 12 verse 11. No discipline seems pleasant at the time, but painful. Later on, however, it produces a harvest. The Bible teaches that discipline often feels difficult at first. Many good habits start with effort before they bring rewards. Wise people focus on the future instead of only the present moment. Your brain grows stronger when you practice discipline consistently. Learning self-control helps you make wiser choices with money and daily habits. Today we will discover how discipline helps money grow over time.
So, what does that actually mean?
Discipline means doing what is important even when it feels difficult. The Bible teaches that discipline helps people learn wisdom and knowledge. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1 says, "Whoever loves discipline loves knowledge." Your brain feels healthier when you follow good habits regularly. Wise habits help emotional systems inside the brain stay calmer and more balanced. Learning discipline also strengthens planning and decision-making skills. Kids who practice discipline early often become wiser adults later. They usually build stronger money habits and greater responsibility. These habits help shape stronger futures step by step.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, the prefrontal cortex helps your brain plan ahead and control impulses. This brain system grows stronger when you repeatedly practice discipline and wise choices. God designed the brain to grow through repetition and learning. Every small disciplined action builds stronger brain pathways over time. Choosing to save money regularly teaches the brain patience and long-term thinking. Healthy repetition also strengthens emotional control systems inside the brain. Good habits slowly shape how your brain reacts every day. Wise practice makes healthy thinking easier over time. That is one reason practicing God's wisdom helps both the brain and the future grow stronger.
How does this show up in real life?
At school, a student who studies a little each day often performs better than someone who waits until the last minute. Small disciplined actions usually create better results later. Wise choices today often build future success. With friends, some kids spend all their money immediately while others save patiently. Wise kids learn that discipline helps them reach bigger goals. Healthy money habits grow stronger through consistency and self-control. When learning difficult things, patient kids often improve little by little. Their brains grow stronger through practice, persistence, and wise habits. God's wisdom teaches us that lasting growth takes time.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small habits slowly build stronger thinking skills over time. Even tiny disciplined choices can shape powerful life patterns later. Brains become stronger through consistency more than speed. Repeating healthy habits teaches the brain what matters most. Practicing discipline regularly strengthens emotional control and wise thinking. Learning patience daily also builds stronger focus and self-discipline. Over many years, small habits shape character, relationships, and future success. Wise kids often become responsible adults who manage money well. Strong wealth-building habits grow from faithful choices practiced again and again.
So, how do I start?
First, choose one small money habit you can practice every day. Ask yourself what simple action could help your future. This helps train the brain to think wisely before acting. Second, notice how feelings affect your choices. Sometimes people avoid discipline because they feel tired, impatient, or distracted. Understanding emotions helps the brain make healthier decisions. Third, practice one disciplined action today. Save a small amount of money or complete an important task before doing something fun. Small actions repeated daily create powerful growth over time.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is to practice one discipline habit today. Save a small amount of money before spending anything else. You could also finish an important responsibility before choosing entertainment. Repeat this small habit every day for 1 week. Your brain will slowly build stronger patience, focus, and self-control pathways. Consistency teaches the brain that discipline creates progress. Share your challenge with a parent or trusted friend. Talking about goals helps the brain stay motivated and focused. Encouragement from others makes healthy habits easier to continue. Remember, your brain grows stronger when you practice patience, discipline, and healthy habits every day. Your choices slowly shape your character, your thinking, and your future. Small wise actions can build a healthier and stronger life. Hebrews chapter 12 verse 11 says, "No discipline seems pleasant at the time, but painful." Later on, however, it produces a harvest. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 1 says, "Whoever loves discipline loves knowledge." These verses remind us that discipline often feels hard now but creates rewards later. So discipline may feel hard now, but it creates success later. Strong money habits grow when wise choices are repeated consistently. Keep practicing God's wisdom because your brain, your heart, and your future are growing every day.
Let's see. What do we know so far?
What helps money habits grow stronger? Is it discipline and practice? Or laziness and quitting? True or false? Good habits require practice. Is it true or false? True or false? Success often takes time. Is it true or false? What strengthens habits over time? Is it repetition or avoiding effort? True or false? Small daily actions matter greatly. Is it true or false? Did you get them right? The answers are waiting in your worksheet download. Download your free worksheet and test your brain. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.